Hey guys, it's a different type of vlog today. So the vlog today is a mountain bike ride. So it's going to be around Birmingham city. So we'll take you around on the little journey with us. Today I've got with us brother Ali. Brother Ali, I don't know if you remember him from the South Africa Cape Town trip. So say hello, Mr. Ali. Yeah, so hopefully you get to see the bike ride. So we've got our bikes here. I've got Marin, and brother Ali's got a incline. We are in Birmingham city centre now. It's a nice place to kind of chill out. Obviously the weather isn't as great as it would be in the summer. It is starting to turn now. I hope you enjoyed the journey so far, and we'll carry on up the canal into a place called Brindley Place, which is a lot more open and a lot more scenic.
They call me Ramzan.
No, it does connect onto here somewhere though.
This is a Brindley Place, one of the most iconic places in Birmingham. It's most famous for the canals, so we've come riding on the canals today. As you can see, it's a nice place to kind of come and chill out, have a coffee, even just sit down, have a break. Yeah, so far it's been a nice easy stretch on the canals, stretching out the legs on the bike. But yeah, we might be jumping off the canals now to have a further ride into the city. Let's go.
They call me Ramzan.
that was a ride through Birmingham city centre. How did you find the ride?
Very nice.
Very nice, yeah. Nice and easy.
Decent route, yeah.
Easy work. So come to Small Heath now. Probably grab a quick bite to eat. Obviously being COVID friendly, gonna have something like takeout or something like that. Yeah. My first proper ride on my bike anyway, and I found it quite good to be fair. Very smooth, easy to ride. It rolls very fast, so I'm pleased with it. What about your bike? You've been out on it much?
Yeah, I've been down the canals a few times.
Yeah.
Nice, good bike to ride.
So yes.
For me anyway.
Yeah, so 2 decent bikes. We're pleased with it. So yeah, we're gonna go into Small Heath on Coventry Road. Maybe find somewhere where we can have a quick snack before continue the journey.
Décolle le Ramzan.
So we stopped here at Mushak Street, and we was just getting ready to basically place an order for some food, and then one of the guys come out and he said he wouldn't recommend going here, so change your plans, and he's recommended another place for us a bit further down called Marigold Peri Chicken or something like that. So we're heading there. Marigold's, yeah, let's head down there then. So this is the place he recommended, Marigold Peri Chicken. So you got the menu, yeah? Yeah, see anything you like?
We'll see. It's gonna have to be chicken 8 altogether.
Yeah. Cycling around doesn't make you hungry, so
Maybe some sort of chicken we're gonna have.
yeah. Let us decide. When we decide, we'll show you the food. We ordered a chicken and pitta. So far it's been a nice ride.
À l'ombre de la peur, il y a le cri du cœur, désir puissant comme un grand sauveur néant. Accepter la démence, retrouver l'espérance, la vie, la vraie, la vie, la vie, la vie, la vraie.
So having the Marigold Pitta, it is very nice, quite pleasantly surprised. It's grilled chicken, so it means it's healthy, and although it does come with fries, so that's the unhealthy part. Some peri peri fries, so yeah, very nice, and it's on the Coventry Road in Small Heath.
stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But I don't see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not you. Even harder to write when you know that's the night. There were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're for real. Like, who would you live for and who would you die for and would you ever kill? Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride.
Finally made it home, just literally before it got dark. The timing was great. Yeah, very nice ride, really enjoyed it. First bike ride in maybe 2 years, so it has been a long time since I've been on the bike. Yeah, definitely need to do more rides like this, and hopefully I'll take you along with me. If you enjoyed this type of video, then just leave it in the comments, tell me what you thought about this type of video, and then maybe I'll do another one in the future. Don't know what kind of video that I'll be releasing next, but hopefully something different as well. Yeah, and if you did enjoy it, then give it a thumbs up, and yeah, any comments are appreciated. But for now, goodbye and peace.
You're right. I got that as well. Hey, Takana, this is just litter. This is litter, bro. Have you seen the honest guy? I ain't going down there, mate. Oh, bike lane. Yeah.